How to buy BTFD coin. Buying BTFD coin is a simple and quick process. First, visit the official pre-sale page. Start by connecting your wallet. Popular options like MetaMask or Trust Wallet work perfectly. Once connected, input the amount of BTFD you'd like to purchase. Double-check the discounted pre-sale price and ensure all details are correct. Next, hit the Buy Now button and confirm the transaction directly within your wallet interface. Your tokens will be added to your wallet once the transaction is processed. It's that easy to secure your share of one of the hottest new meme coins before it moons. Final verdict: which meme coin reigns supreme? Based on our research and market trends, BTFD coin, Pudgy Penguins, and Dogecoin are leading the charge among the best new meme coins to join in January 2025. Each offers something unique: BTFD with its high-stakes pre-sale and innovative features, Pudgy Penguins with its NFT-driven ecosystem, and Dogecoin with its tried-and-true legacy. If you're ready to dive into the meme coin market, BTFD coin's pre-sale is your ticket to exponential returns. Don't miss the chance to join the next big thing in crypto. Visit their pre-sale page, connect your wallet, and secure your stake today. The future is meme coins. Be part of it.